నల్గొండ జిల్లా మిర్యాలగూడ పట్టణ చైతన్య నగర్ సెయింట్ జాన్స్ హై స్కూల్లో ఘనంగా స్వపరిపాలన దినోత్సవాన్ని ఫిబ్రవరి 26 బుధవారం నాడు ఘనంగా నిర్వహించడం జరిగింది. విద్యార్థులు వివిధ హోదాలతో పాటు ఉపాధ్యాయులుగా తమ పాత్రలను పోషించారు. విద్యాశాఖ మంత్రిగా కె వర్షిత, ఆర్జేడీగా ఎం సర్వేశ్వర్, కలెక్టర్గా జి స్నేహ, ముఖ్యమంత్రిగా ఎం అక్షిత్ రాజ్, ఎమ్మెల్యేగా ఎం రామ్ సుధీర్, గవర్నర్గా పి లిఖిత్, ఫైనాన్స్ మినిస్టర్గా ఎన్ సాయి, డిఈఓగా సిహెచ్ శ్రీహర్ష, ఎంఈఓగా జి కీర్తన, కరెస్పాండెంట్ గా పి లావణ్య, ప్రిన్సిపాల్ గా ఎస్ మహిదర్, డైరెక్టర్ గా పి మనోజ్ మరియు ఉపాధ్యాయులుగా ఎస్ ఇందు, ఎం స్నేహ, ఆయుష. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో మొత్తం 121 మంది విద్యార్థులు స్వపరిపాలన దినోత్సవ వేడుకల్లో పాల్గొన్నారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని ఉద్దేశించి పాఠశాల ప్రిన్సిపల్ అలుగుబెల్లి శ్రీనివాస్ రెడ్డి మాట్లాడుతూ, మా పాఠశాలలో విద్యతో పాటు విద్యార్థుల సృజనాత్మకతను వెలికితీసే ఇలాంటి అనేక కార్యక్రమాలు నిర్వహిస్తూ, అదేవిధంగా టాలెంట్ టెస్ట్లను నిర్వహిస్తూ రానున్న తరాలకు అనుగుణంగా విద్యను విద్యార్థులకు బోధించడమే మా పాఠశాల లక్ష్యం అని తెలిపారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాఠశాల కరెస్పాండెంట్ శ్రీమతి అలుగుబెల్లి శిరీష మరియు ఉపాధ్యాయులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
Side area of a square is 1.
On your demands, so please be patient and wait for it. The solution will come in just a few months. What did you do? I don't know. But what are these designs and things? I already signed the file about the digital lab, but
Very important. Very important. Hand of paper. Children.
correspondent madam and the principal sir, dear teachers and my dear students. Today we are celebrating self-government day. I feel very happy to see our students are in bright colorful dresses. I feel very happy. So, first of all, I want to congratulate all the students, those who acted as the teachers, and some of you acted as MEO, DEO, and collector, minister, and even CM also. So, some of you acted as the teachers. Then, how teachers do hard work before teaching the lessons, you came to know now. And also, when you are in the class, if class is noisy, how do you feel? You came to know. So that's why, suppose those who acted as the teachers, I think they will be definitely quiet in the classroom while teacher is teaching a lesson. So my special thanks to principal sir and correspondent madam for organizing this self-government day. Thank you one and all. In the beginning of the program, I would like to invite
respected principal, teachers, and my friends. Today I have played as principal. This role plays a vital role in development of school. It is a hard work to play a role of principal, but he plays everything for our school. He works on everything. If a teacher works on his subject, he takes all parts of the school. Thank you for doing this one.
Good afternoon to all. Respected principal sir, correspondent ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself Lavanya from Center B. In our school today we are celebrating self-government day. I got an opportunity to act as a role of correspondent. So I acted as a correspondent. I think it is easy, but when I sat in a chair, it gave me all responsibilities of chair and how the school management, staff, and all the students discipline. Self-government means recognizing ourselves with our responsibilities and duties without relying on others. So I felt very happy to act this role. I would thank to principal ma'am and sir to conducting this type of program. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. This is Manoj Kumar. I am studying 10th standard. Today we are gathered here at occasion of self-government day. Today my role is director. Today I feel very happy. Thank you. Thank you, this wonderful officer.
Correspondent teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Keetana from 10th. As we know that today we are celebrating self-government day in our school. As a part of self-government day, I acted as a MEO. As a MEO, we need to take care of education in Mandal sir. Thank you principal sir, correspondent madam for providing this school program. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
self-government day. In this day, I played a role DEO. I understand this. It is not a job. It is a responsibility for taking care of the students. And today is my last self-government day. So I feel sad. And today I never forgot this day. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all respected teachers, principal teacher, and all my dear friends. Today I feel so happy because we celebrated self-government day in our school. I played MLA role in this self-government occasion. Special thanks for this management giving this post. Thanks for this wonderful opportunity.
Hello everyone, my name is Swashta. I am studying 10th B. As we are gathered here to celebrate the self-government day. In this day, I acted the role of Education Minister. Education Minister is having a lot of responsibility to develop the education students, and so many responsibilities have the Education Minister. In this role, I understand that education is not about the books; it is a foundation for our future. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Respected principal, teachers, and all the other friends. I am Ensai from Serbia, 10th standard. Today my role is Financial Minister. In our school we are celebrating as self-government day. Financial Minister is just not about money. It is about responsibility, honesty, and planning. Thank you.
This is Sneha from 10th standard. As a role of district collector, so many problems are there. District collector and thank you.
My role is RJD as a regional joint director to see all the schools and to give a better education to everyone. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all. Respected professors, correspondent ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, we have successfully completed self-government day program. I have played a role of governor. A governor is not only a constitution head, but also he was executive head of the state. He listens the addresses of CM and also of the constitution, and the bill passes by the governor. Thank you for being this wonderful opportunity.
My name is Akshay Raju. I am studying 10th class, and in our school today we gathered here on the occasion of self-government day. So on this occasion I played as a chief minister. And now I came to know how the responsibilities. I thought first that it would be very easy, but when I came to the school, I know that how the feeling is, and I got very tensed also, and I came to know what are the responsibilities and the rules and regulations that the CM should follow. Thank you. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Respected principals, correspondent teachers, and all my dear friends. Today we are gathered here on account of self-government day. My role is my name is Hindu from 10th standard. My role is accountant. I am very happy. Thank you. This is Srivani from 10th standard. Today my role is in charge. Teacher is role model of students. Teacher is the backbone of the students. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Good afternoon everyone. Respected principals, corresponding teachers, and all my dear friends. This is Geography class 9. Today we are gathered here on the occasion of self-government in our school. My role is in charge. This day I take many responsibilities of in charge. That is very difficult to in charge as staff and teachers. This day was God's day in my life. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Teachers and all my today we are gathered to celebrate self-government day. Today my role is in charge. I face many problems and you are in charge. Thank you. Respected principals, teachers, and my dear friends.
Today my role is in charge Suman sir. Thank you.
Correspondent ma'am and teachers and all my dear friends. This is Vaishali from 9th standard. Today we are all gathered here on the occasion of self-government day. Today I played a in charge role. It is very difficult to lead all the classes, and if any teacher absent, we have to take care all the class. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
A very good afternoon to everyone. Respected correspondent ma'am, teachers and all dear my friends. This is G. Science from 10th class. Today we are gathered to celebrate self-government day. I participate in self-government day as the in-charge. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, respected principal, teachers and all my lessons. This is Neha from 10th standard. Today we are gathered to celebrate a self-government day. My role is the in charge. I saw a pain of the in charge to hard work to teachers. My proud of me teachers. Thank you.
All respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. This is Hafsa from 9th standard. We are gathered to celebrate self-government day. My role is teacher. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Hello everyone, this is Mansa from 9th standard. We are gathered here to celebrate self-government day. My role is teacher. Thank you. The principal and correspondent and all my dear friends. This is RTST from Meet Olympiad. Today we all are gathered here on the occasion of self-government day. I played a role of English teacher. Teachers are facing so many problems in teaching them. Good afternoon everyone. Respected principals, teachers and all my dear friends. This is Esneshka from Meet Olympiad. Today we celebrated self-government. I played a role of math teacher. It's not an easy job. Math is not only just a subject. It teaches us life lessons like how to solve a problem practically. On this day, I feel very proud to take a part in school. Thank you. I come from Meet Olympiad. Today we are gathered here on the occasion of self-government day. I played as an English teacher. Teaching is not as an easy work. We want to maintain the class and the students. Thank you for giving this for us.
Coming now to deliver his speech. Next to be introduced in the
Good afternoon everyone. Honorable our director and correspondent, esteemed teachers and who played official roles, and my beloved children. Once again, wish you happy self-government day celebration. Actually, you don't know what we mean by here self-government. Self-government is a special day. It is a miracle day and spectacular day. That's why, because you don't know what about teacher. What about teachers' rules and regulations? What about DEO? What about MEO? What about RJD? What about different kind of other courses? You want to know. Now you are student, so you know students what they want to do. They come to school. They want to listen to classes. They want to play jokes. Again they go to home and prepare what about the work. Again they go to sleep. Again come to school. This is children attitudes. What about teacher? They didn't know. Now you play a teacher role. Teacher. T for tactful. E for enthusiasm. A for affectionate. C for character. H for honorable. E for eagerness. R for responsibility. It's called teacher. Am I right? What about teacher? You didn't know. Now you play here. What about the teacher role? Here, when you enter the class, some kind of children, they are going to play, they are going to do pranks, etc., etc. So if you say polite words, they can't listen your words. The time you can change your voice like high pitch. You can control them. So when you are kid, nursery, LKG, UKG, you to think like that. Why teachers they are going to forcing like this? Why they are going to giving punishment to us? You thought like that. Now you understood. Teacher post is the best post in the world. You want to become MLA or MP, CM or PM, any kind of person must or should they want to listen teacher what he want to say. Isn't it? There is the best post in the world. He can make lawyers, doctors, teachers, every profession made by only teacher. Teacher position is the best position. So why we have given this kind of a wonderful opportunity to you mean? You want to understand what about teacher, you want to understand what about RJD, you want to understand what about MEO and DO and deputy DO. So my dear children, today children, tomorrow the citizens. You want to know what about rules and regulation teacher, how they are going to preparing, how they are going to explain to you. You listen carefully, you to become pioneers in the country. If you want to become a pioneers in the country, what we want to do here, teachers what they want to teach, you listen carefully and properly, you become a best student and a best citizen in our country and in our nation. So our management, our Srinivas Reddy master and the correspondent madam, they have given this kind of wonderful opportunity to us. In your life career, you never forget this kind of wonderful moments. I think it is a sweet, memorable days. I think those who are doing this kind of institution, 10th class members, even though near annual examination, just a little bit break we have given. We given this kind of a memorable chance to yours. You utilize this one. This is the best memorable day in your life career. Why? Because the childhood goes to it is the language to journey in your life career. So keep this one and work hard and get the good marks and give a good name to our institution. Those who are given this kind of wonderful opportunity, once again, thank you. Have a nice day.
Respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Tiyasa. I am from 8th standard. Today my role is as a physics teacher. I felt very difficult to teach the lessons and maintain the children. I think the teacher role is a easy job than other jobs. But now I play the role of teacher. Then I realize how to difficult the teacher role. Thank you. Respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is P. Sravya from 8th class. Today we are gathered here on the occasion of Self-Government Day. I played a role of teacher. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Manada. Respected principal, correspondent lab teachers and all my dear friends. I am GMC from class 8 Olympia. Today we all are gathered here on the occasion of Self-Government Day. Self-Government Day is celebrated every year. I don't act as a teacher. Thank you.
My name is Shalisa Tulu, 8th A. We are celebrating Self-Government Day. My role is Hindi teacher. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected principal sir, correspondent, and my dear teachers, and today's teachers, and my beloved children. Very happy to see you here. Self-Government Day. So the main purpose of this day is you need to understand how the teachers prepare for you. For this preparation, okay, now you went for the shopping, you purchased the dress, and you have prepared well for the class, and you did a lot of work for 1 or 2 classes, isn't it? And for 1 or 2 classes you did this much hard work. So then we can understand how teachers work for the best teaching, to give their best. Okay, now they continuously work hard and they refer a lot of books and they gather the different information and they try to give you in the best way, in its best manner. Okay, some of you have played different roles, CM role, RJD, Governor, Financial Minister, Educational Minister, Collector. I think it is not a simple status to those who are coming on the car, not right. So for this, okay, now they did a lot of hard work. So finally, I think they understood something about that collector. What is the role of the collector? And teachers understood what is the role of the teacher, how difficult it is. Seems to be very easy, but it is not an easy task. This is the toughest job in the world. No other job have this kind of tests to become a teacher. Do you know that? Even civils also don't have this kind of jobs. Civils, there are 3 stages are there. One is the preliminary, and then mains, and finally interview. But to become a teacher, they need to write the entrance test, and then after they need to complete their B.Ed. Then after they need to qualify the TET, and then after they need to clear clear their written test, and then after final interviews. Means more than 5 or 6 steps to be overcome to become a teacher. And we feel proud to be here as a teacher. Why? Because we have crossed all these steps. Now we stood as a teacher in front of you. We hope you understood how teachers pain to become a teacher. And I am very happy to see you here. And almost half of the school participated as different roles here. Very good. And mass participation gives the management a boost to continue or to conduct this kind of functions. And I convey my sincere thanks to the management to provide this kind of opportunity for the children. And I hope we continue the same in the future also. Thank you. Thank you one and all for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Samira. I am studying 8th class. My role is Hindi teacher. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Respected Principal Ma'am, Honorable Principal Sir, my dear teachers and my dear students. As we know that we all are gathered here to celebrate the Self-Government Day. This is your day. I think you understand the problems of the teachers every day they are facing in your classes. I hope. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Respected principal sir, teachers and all the dear friends. My name is Aditi from 7th standard. My role is English teacher. Teacher means it is not a easy job. It is very hard. All my dear friends, today we are gathered here to
All my dear family, students, our teachers and officials.
This is Divanuti from 7th standard. Respected principal sir, corresponding ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Today my role is science and math teacher. Today I feel very happy and proud to stand before as a teacher. On this special school self-government day, teachers play an important role shaping the students' lives. They don't teach from the lessons but also teach the values of discipline, respect, honesty and hard work. Teachers is a light, guiding light who shows the right path to students. On this special occasion when I standing here as a teacher, I understand how much patience, dedication and responsibility these teachers are doing very hard work. Teacher job is not easy. It requires care, love and commitment. On this special day, I thank all our teachers for continuing their supporting to us. I proud to respect our teachers and follow their rules. Thank you.
Because our teachers and all my dear friends, my name is P. Lakshmi from 8th class. I acted as a math teacher.
Good afternoon everyone. Respected corresponding madam, all teachers.
Please come on to the stage. I request the Parveen teacher, please come on to the stage. I request now Balakrishna sir, please come on to the stage.
గౌరవనీయులైనటువంటి ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయులు గారు మరియు కరెస్పాండెంట్ మేడం మరియు ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులందరికీ నా హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారాలు. ఈరోజు మనం జరుపుకుంటున్నటువంటి కార్యక్రమం ఏంటి? సెల్ఫ్ గవర్నమెంట్ అంటే కొబ్బరి పాల దినోత్సవం అంటారా? కొబ్బరి పాల దినోత్సవాన్ని ఈరోజు మీరందరూ అలాగే ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయులుగా మరియు మేనేజర్లుగా మరియు నాయకులుగా రకరకాల పాత్రలను పోషిస్తూ ఉన్నారు, అవునా? మరి ఒక టీచర్గా కానీ, ఒక నాయకుడిగా కానీ, అలాగే ఒక మేనేజర్గా కానీ మీరు చేయవలసినటువంటి మీ బాధ్యతలన్నింటినీ కూడా సక్రమంగా నిర్వర్తించడం ఈరోజు మీరందరూ ఈ రోజు నుంచి పాఠశాల నిర్వహణలో భాగమవుతూ వస్తూ ఉంటారు. మరి పాఠశాల నిర్వహణ అంటే కేవలం స్కూల్కి వస్తున్నామా వెళ్తున్నామా అని కాకుండా క్రమశిక్షణ నేర్చుకోవటం, అలాగే క్రమశిక్షణతో పాటు మీ యొక్క బాధ్యతలన్నింటినీ కూడా పూర్తి నిజాయితీతో నిర్వర్తించడం, అలాగే ఒక టీమ్గా ఒక బృందంగా ఏర్పడి ఈరోజు ఈ బాధ్యతలన్నింటినీ కూడా సక్రమంగా పూర్తి నిజాయితీతో నిర్వర్తించడంతో పాటు మీరందరూ ఇవన్నీ కూడా నేర్చుకుంటూ వస్తూ ఉన్నారు. వీటితో పాటు ఇక మీరు తర్వాత ముందు మీరు ఒక నాయకుడిగా ఎలాంటి బాధ్యతలు నిర్వర్తించాలి, అలాగే ఒక టీచర్గా ఎలాంటి బాధ్యతలు నిర్వర్తించాలి, అలాగే మానిటర్గా, ఇలా రకరకాల పాత్రల ద్వారా మీరు ఇప్పటి నుంచి స్కూల్ నిర్వహణలో భాగాన్ని పొందుతూ మీరందరూ కూడా ఈ బాధ్యతలన్నింటినీ కూడా పూర్తి నిజాయితీతో నిర్వర్తిస్తారని ఆశిస్తూ ముగిస్తున్నాను.
Celebrating 7th standard. My role is a English and Telugu teacher. And corresponding and all my dear friends, this is Shyamanga from 7th grade. Today we are all gathered to celebrate self-government day. In this day I got act like a science. Thank you. Hello to all, my name is Gautami and I am 6th standard. Today we are gathered to celebrate on occasion of self-government days. My role is maths teacher. Thank you. My name is Shrita. I am studying 6th standard. Today is self-government day. We are all gathered here on occasion of self-government day. My role is English teacher. Thank you.
First, I would like to say thanks to correspondent Silisha Mary. Thank you for giving this opportunity to speak some words. So I would like to tell you just 2 words: and success and great. So how would a person become success? And today, so you celebrated self-government and students as the teachers, lawyers, and the political leaders. So how they are succeed to play the role. So one do want to be a success. So continuously to develop their acquired knowledge, to be a great aim and self-confidence, and do the hard work and move and believe and strongly, and this work definitely they will succeed their life. But how would a person become a great? It is not an impossible to become a great. The great, the learning gives a knowledge and becomes the great. So this is the best choice to prove yourself in your life, and thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Respected teachers and all my dear friends, this is Srivaidya from 6th standard. I role is English teacher. Respected teachers and all my dear friends, this is Caroline from 6th standard. My role is teacher. Respected members and leaders and relatives, my name is another 6th standard. This is Telugu. My role is and all my friends. We are not gathered here to celebrate government day. My role is English teacher. Thank you. And all my dear friends, my name is Parvati from 7th grade. Today we are all gathered to celebrate.
Good morning. Today we are now gathering to celebrate self-government day. In this case, my role is science. Today I feel to become a science. Thank you. Good morning all. Today is the second correspondent student government day. My name is K. Sabri. I am studying 7th class. Today I play a role on body because I am very happy to because when I am teaching subject, all the students are hearing carefully and asking some doubts, but some students are making noise. Thank you.
Respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends, my name is Krishna. I am 6th standard. Today my role is Hindi madam. Thank you. Respected teachers and all my dear friends, February. I am a role. My role is SAR. Thank you everyone. Respected principals and teachers, all dear my friends. First of all, I wish you happy self-government day. Thank you one and respected principals and teachers and my dear friends. My name is Shenbai. I am studying 4th grade. Today we are celebrating Self-Government Day. My own name is Preeti Shah. Thank you. Respected principals and teachers and all my dear friends. My name is K. Manajit. First of all, today we are celebrating Self-Government Day. Thank you. Respected principals and teachers, all my dear friends. My name is Premita. I am studying 4th Bright Stars. Today we are celebrating self-government. My goal is English teachers and correspondent and teachers and all my dear friends. This is Richard from 4th standard. Today we are celebrating self-government day. Today my role is English teacher. Teacher's job is not easy. Thank you. Respected teachers and correspondent teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Satinatra. I am 4th A. My role is teacher, math and English. Thank you. Respected principals and correspondent teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Shivali. I am studying 4th Road. Today is Self-Government Day and my role is teacher, English teacher. Thank you. Teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Shani from 4th Children. Today Self-Government Day. My role is math teacher. Thank you. Correspondent and teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Pranavi. I am studying 4th class section. First of all, I wish you happy Self-Government Day. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity to teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Satya and Kupi. First of all, I wish you Self-Government Day. Teachers and my dear friends. My name is Sharon. I am studying 4th class. Thank you. Respected principals and correspondent and teachers and all my dear. My name is Himati. I am studying 4th A. Yes, today we are celebrating Self-Government Day. Thank you. Principals and teachers and all my friends. My role is math teacher. Thank you. Teachers and all my dear friends. Today we are celebrating Self-Government Day. My name is Chaitra. I am studying 3rd B. Teachers and all my dear friends. Today we are celebrating Self-Government Day. My name is